Hello friends, hope you all will be fine. Today we will work on this painting. So let's start our work. First of all, I will do its background. First I make the paper wet by using a spray. You can also make your paper wet by the brush, but I am using a spray. So in the background I am using sky blue, green and purple color. First I am making the whole surface first layer with the color, then I will put the next layer of color like this, just touching my brush with the paper, and due to wet surface color is spreading smoothly. So here also a little bit purple. So background completed. Now I will do the main structure of this painting. Main objects, this tomb and this minaret. In the whole painting I will try to make the right side a little bit dark and the left side highlighted or light, to make, or you can say to illustrate the light. The right side is the dark side and the left side is the light side in this painting. I am applying the first layer of the all basic colors, sky blue, yellow, red. Then as it will dry, and then I will apply more details in this painting. So the first layer is dried. Now I am applying a little bit more detailing in this painting that will specify, or you can say that will illustrate its texture, that will enhance its sharpness and it give it good look. So now this minaret, right side a little bit dark and left highlighted light tone. Paper losing its texture due to more wet surface, but don't worry, we will not disturb it too much. This shed and its pillars. The main thing that we will learn in this painting is about the shadow of our building, or you can say our object in this painting. I will tell you that how we can make a glowing effect with the, you can say, a dry brush, less color, having some color but very less water. So the basic layer, first layer of this shade is completed. More detailing in this tomb. As the first layer is dried, that's why I am applying the detailing. We cannot detail our object while it is wet. We need to wait as it will dry, then we will apply details. These windows, the next layer a little bit more red, or you can say orange, yellowish. So this part also dried. Now I am applying next layer. These structures. Now I am using flat brush for the first layer, basic layer, to get the smooth shade, or you can say one color shade. Simple and easy way. You can use flat brush while you are applying the basic layer. These stairs, sky blue and white lines. Here also some stairs, and this is the floor. If we are going to illustrate the shadow, or you can see the reflection of the whole building here. These stairs more dark. Same here. More detailing here as this part is dried. This part is about to complete. This door. Okay, the next part of the shadow of this, few detailing here. So this part also dried. Now I will make some detailing here. This is the roof design and the shed above the door. The entrance of this building, you can say this whole painting starting from this point. Okay, some more detailing on the roof. Dark sharp lines to give it good contrast. So the last part and important part, reflection. I'm using dry brush having a less color, very less water in it. For this purpose I am making the brush wet, then I am using a piece of cloth, or you can use the tissue paper to make your brush a little bit dry, and then use for shadow, or you can say it's a reflection of the building. Like you can see, I am using cloth for drying the brush, and then I will use it. So here the rear part of this building, this side is empty side, so I decided to make some here like this. almost dry brush. I will use yellow color on the floor that will enhance the overall look of our painting. You will observe at the end. Finish. Okay. This part dry, then I will apply more detailing here. Towards the right side, this part is also empty. Let's do some structures here. Okay, this part about to complete. So the next is about the floor. Lemon yellow. You can observe our floor is shining beautifully. Then I will apply the reflection of the building. It will give very nice look. This part is dried, left part. Let's apply some detailing here. Okay, like this. If you ever observe a shining surface, it has some lines like this, horizontal lines. These are the result of the structures, their images, their reflections on the floor. So here we have done it. I hope you will like it and it will help you while painting with watercolors. Thanks for watching.